Just got to my apartment. I'm so excited. Super simple. The outside is really cute as well. Like the view is so like cute. Bedroom, super simple. Nothing too crazy, but everything's open right now. But I can't wait to furnish it. Okay, I just got to the apartment in the morning. I unboxed some necessities like hangers and cleaning supplies, but I just wanted to show you the lighting in my apartment. I'm so excited. This lighting is so beautiful. And I don't think I told you guys, but I love the ceilings. It's like real cement. I'm so excited to get this place done. I got this from our place. I actually bought it. You know what you will win. Plates and bowls give you a lot of joy. It's the Selena Gomez / Our Place collection. It's like rose gold. I mean rose pink. Wow, I love the color. Green to complement the pink. My room is just like a box really, like it's not very big. It only fits a bed and a dresser, but I absolutely love the way it looks, and looking outside, it's like a bunch of trees and greenery. I'm really thankful to be here. Accomplished. First meal alone in the apartment. I got Taco Bell, really easy, a bowl. I just did a workout and unpacked a bunch of stuff. Oh, I haven't felt like this in very long. You know me, like I've been going through some shit. I love the people I've met so far. I'm just really in a good place, and I know I don't say that very often, but I'm genuinely excited for what's to come. So I am a little bit worried, but at the same time I believe that, you know, if I do try different things, move to a different place, like everything will fall into place, and if not, I'll have to work harder. You know, everything comes back to you if you put effort. So we woke up really early from Ryan's place and ran over because they told me they were gonna deliver the couch. Really tired, but I'm excited to show you guys the couch. Ta-da! Yay. The bottom. Look at it. It's so cute. I love it. So this is the first night I will be at the new apartment. The lighting's kind of off because it's all overhead lighting. I had a friend come over, his name is Liam, and we had some dinner. It was nice. I just made use with, you know, rice and whatever, and now I'm just gonna read and hopefully get some sleep. I've been going out a lot because I just waiting for my furniture to come and there's nothing to do. So I've just been going out chilling with friends, but now I'm just tonight gonna get some solid sleep time. I'm also wearing a sweatshirt from Just Jolie on here on YouTube. It's so comfortable and the quality's actually really good. Really nice. Not actually, like I wouldn't expect it to be less. But the brand is called Shiddy. Socks as well, which I really think it's so cute. Cute! Oof, it is so cold here in New York. It is, I think, around 40 degrees or something like that, and my skin is definitely like suffering. It is cracking all the time, my lips are chapped. I am so happy to be partnering with e.l.f. Cosmetics for this video. Their products are just very accessible, great formulations, great quality. The packaging is always on point. And I've been using the Pure Skin line, especially during this winter time where my skin is kind of sensitive but dry, my hands are cracking. I kid you not, my nails actually bled randomly, but just because of how cracked and how dry it was. I've been focusing on more soothing, moisturizing, not too many actives because I don't want to irritate my skin any further. But the Pure Skin line from e.l.f. Skin is dermatologist formulated, dermatologist tested. It is completely fragrance free, so amazing for all you dry skin people out there, and it contains a bunch of beneficial ingredients like oat milk, allantoin, aloe, so it's gonna help repair the skin. So the first thing I do is use this Pure Skin cleanser. It has oat milk, niacinamide, and allantoin, and this cleanser is very creamy. It doesn't foam up too much, which is great for dry skin types. But I always use a double cleanse before using this cleanser. My skin doesn't feel stripped, it just feels very nice and clean. And then after that, I go in with this toner, the Pure Skin toner. It contains oat milk, aloe juice, and niacinamide to help brighten up the skin as well. And during this dry winter months, I usually layer it twice before putting on moisturizer to seal everything in. Onto the last step, which is the Pure Skin moisturizer. This one contains the same ingredients but also contains ceramides, which are the building blocks for the skin. It's really gonna lock in that moisture and also make your skin feel really nourished. I don't just use it on my face, I use it on my hands, my neck, anywhere that requires more TLC. And what it's gonna do is really help wrap and protect your skin. And this Pure Skin line in particular is a lifesaver, so don't forget to check e.l.f. Skin out. Carpet just came in, so I'm gonna rearrange the living room. Floral. I think this has to come in a little bit more so it like lines up with the TV. Ta-da! Not too bad. Workstation here, filming. Good. spray it for it.
Wow, it's very strong. That's a nice bite. It's so strong.
That's really good.
Good?